stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening.
Kenapa toh, Bro?
Bah, mulai ku borot teh.
Think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you.
Loh, iki kok rokok polosan nek sapa iki?
Iya, arep to, Lek.
Rokok ngene iki ya, Lek.
Iki ngono larangane negara, iso dipenjara awakmu.
Lah regane murah ya, Lek.
Murahe piro? Ora setimpal karo resikone. Mula ayo ditinggali rokok polosan ngene iki.
I